Good morning students. Our today's chapter is number systems and topic is how to find rational numbers and irrational numbers between two given rational numbers in the form p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Without wasting any time, let us take one example to find the rational numbers and irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Here I have already mentioned find three rational numbers and three irrational numbers between two rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Now let us find the three rational numbers and three irrational numbers. Solution. Given numbers are 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Both numbers are in the form p by q. First of all, I am going to express these two numbers in the decimal expansion. 5 by 7, when you will divide 5 by 7, then you will have 0.714285 dot dot dot. When you will divide 9 by 11, then you will have 0.818181 dot dot dot. Here 5 by 7 will have non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. 9 by 11 also have the non-terminating recurring decimal expansion because in the quotient of 5 by 7, a block of 6 digits, that is 714285 repeats, and here in the decimal expansion of 9 by 11, a block of 2 digits, that is 81 repeats. Here there are 6 digits just after decimal point. Here there are only 2 digits. We will make the same number of digits just after decimal point, and to make them equal, we will write here 81, 81 dot dot dot. Now they are equal. In order to find the rational numbers and irrational number, I am going to compare the digits of the quotient from the left side. 0 and 0, they are equal. 7 and 8, they are not equal, but there is no any integer between 7 and 8. Now 1 and 1. Here by taking this number, that is 0.71 and 0.81, we can easily understand there are 9 numbers and they are 0.72, 0.73, 0.74 up to 0.80. And we can say that 0.72 up to 0.80 lie between this number and this number. Clearly, 0.72, 0.73, 0.74 dot 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 0.80 lie between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. And here 71, if you are going to understand in another way, 71 and 81 are the integers, and there are 9 integers between 71 and 81, and they are from 72 to 80, what I have already mentioned here. Here we have to find the three rational numbers, and by taking up to 2 decimal places, we can write 9 rational numbers in the decimal form, and they are from 0.72 to 0.8. I am going to write these two numbers in the decimal form: 0.714285 dot dot dot, 0.818181 dot dot dot. Why I will write here 8181? I have already mentioned here. Clearly, 0.72, 0.73, 0.74 dot 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 0.80 lie between 9 by 11, that is equal to 0.7142 8 5 dot 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 and here 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, that is 0.81 81 81 dot dot. From these 9 numbers we can take any 3 numbers and we can write as it is, otherwise in the form P by Q. So 3 rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 are 0.72, 0.73, 0.74, that is 72 by 100, 73 by 100 and 74 by 100, and we can write this number in the simplest form as 18 by 25 and this 37 by 50, but this is also correct. Here we have to find the rational number. This is also correct answer and this is also correct answer. Or you can write here equal that is 18 by 25 comma 73 by 100 comma 74 by 100, that is 37 by 50. We can write anyway. I think all of you are understanding this method, how to find the rational numbers between 2 rational numbers. Now I am going to find 3 irrational numbers. I have already explained that 0.72, 0.73, 0.74 up to 0.80 lie between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. You already know the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. And that's why by taking any 3 numbers from 0.72 to 0.80, we will write them in non-terminating and non-recurring form. And how we will write, I am going to explain. So, 3 irrational numbers between 5 by 7, that is 5 by 7, only I am writing here, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 are. Let us take this first number 0.72. 0.72, actually we will write 1 digit, we will increase the number of 1 digit and we will write 1 digit only time. So I am going to write 7 2 times, 2 only 1 time, 7 3 times, 2 only 1 time and 7 4 times and so on, dot dot dot. You will not forget to write your dot dot dot. If you will not write, then this number will become terminating, decimal expansion and rational number. 0.73, we will follow the same pattern. 7 7 3 triple 7 3 4 times 7 and 0.74 double 7 1 time 4 triple 7 4 4 times 7, which are in the form non-terminating terminating non-recurring decimal expansion. And we already know the decimal expansion of irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. In this way, we can find the irrational number. First of all, we will express the rational number in the form decimal expansion. Thereafter, we will start to compare from the left side, like the 0, 0, 7, 0.7, 0.8. We do not have any number between 0.7 and 0.8 as up to 1 decimal places. Thereafter 0.71, 0.81. There are 9 integers between 71 and 81, and we will take all 9 integers as 0.72, 0.73, and in this way we need only 3 rational numbers. I have got here 9 rational numbers, and from the 9 rational numbers we will write 3 rational numbers and 3 irrational numbers. And today only this much. See you in the next class for the rest. Thank you.